Alright, welcome back. Beast Form RNG has been re-released, so we can get back to the grind, you know? So leaderboards look kind of broken, even though they said they were fixed. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, as the game has changed a little bit, there's an egg index now. It shows all the stuff. There's new 3, 4, there's 5 new index eggs. So there's the basic egg, strawberry egg, bamboo egg, spider egg, and the super egg, and the ant egg, but I don't know how to get that. It might be in the shop. No? Huh. I'll have to try to figure out how to get that one. But this one, so here you can buy the basic egg for 50,000 here. I don't actually know where to get the spider egg. I mean, not the spider egg, the ant one. Anyways, there's World 2. So this is World 2. You got a merchant you can buy stuff from. There's over here the bamboo egg you can buy for 150,000. In Spiderfield, there's the spider egg at 250,000. So that one's expensive. And then in the strawberry field, there's the strawberry egg for 100k. So the eggs are quite hard to get. So let's go over the change log here. So we got new world, 60 new bees, new egg machine, super egg, new galaxy effects. So they should have a new effects, something like that. Pretty cool. New icons. So these are all changed. 8 new free-to-play huges, and then the leaderboards are fixed. So I'm going to open up. Let's equip this. We get maximum luck. Alright, times 39. So we go to the inventory. This will be another video, but I'm going to be opening up 35 strawberry eggs. So we're hopefully going to get one of these 2 huges. Hope so. Well, 35. I doubt it, but let's see what we can do. Let's throw on a royal jelly, a star jelly, galaxy jelly. I did not put on the star jelly. There we go. Put the flower, the star flower, and then, you know what, let's do the galaxy flower. Alright. 8 at a time. Here we go. Oh, wow. We actually got the huge. Okay. Alright, can we get another one? We got another one. Okay. Maybe we won't be so unlucky. We got 2 huges. Okay, none that hatch. That's all good. So the hatching is a little bit laggy, I've noticed. But, oh well. Right, it doesn't really matter. It still works. Okay. No huge. I think we got 1 more hatch left. No, we got 3 eggs left. Alright. Come on. Okay. But hey. So which one did we get? We got the 1.25%. We got 2 of those. Let the inventory fix itself there. So there it is. It actually looks really nice. That's nice. Something else they've added is trading. So we got trading. So that's how I got the bugged bee from one of the alts I hatched in the last video. Wow, I have the only two that exist of this. Okay, interesting. Alright, so that's it for this update review video. Next video, we'll be opening up the rest of these Halloween eggs. So stay ready for that one. And yeah, see you then.